Hello. Welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to increase maximum upload size in Cpanel. Visit our website easyyork.com for more informative content. Consider subscribing to Easy York on YouTube by clicking the red subscribe button below this video tutorial. Don't forget to click the bell icon, for this will notify you when we upload a new video. First of all, why in the world does this happen? Well, it's important to understand that this is usually not a Joomla issue. In most cases, the Joomla maximum upload file size is a server-level setting, which also means that unfortunately, you can't resolve it from within Joomla. This limit exists for security and efficiency's sake. It prevents users from flooding your site with huge video uploads and grinding your servers to a halt. We think that's fair enough, but nowadays a default upload of 2 or 5 megabytes, an amount many servers default to, just doesn't cut it. Let's see how we can go about increasing it. Secondly, let me upload a Joomla extension file. This is the error I'm getting. If you're using Cpanel, modifying the php.ini file can be done via the multi-php editor tool. On Cpanel, search php. Then select multi-php editor. Select your home directory. Domain root, from the drop-down. Change the value of upload max file size to something larger than the file you want to upload. You can then click on each property and change its value. Then click on Apply to save the change. Let's try to re-upload the file. Yes. The file has successfully been uploaded. If it was helpful, feel free to subscribe, comment, like and share. Don't forget to click the bell icon, for this will notify you when we upload a new video. By subscribing, you encourage us to create more videos. Have a nice time.